The Apollo University and University of Leicester UG International Transfer Program spot admissions in your city. Meet university representatives, BTech, BE Computer Science, AI Data Science, Software Engineering with internship in India and UK. Up to 25% scholarship, education loan facility, campus placements. Eligibility, MPC, BPC, Polytechnic Diploma with 60%. On July 4th, Friday 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. at Technogate Mayuri Center, Mamillagudem, Khammam. July 5th, Saturday 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. at University of Leicester Information Center, 6th floor above Agarwal Hospital, Satya Classic, Addepalli Colony, Anala Venkatappa Rao Road, opposite HP Petrol Bunk, Rajamahendravaram. On July 6th, Sunday 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. at Sri Padmalaya Office, NV Ramesh Complex, beside SBI Surya Rao Pet, Main Road, Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh. July 7th, Monday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. University of Leicester Information Center, Delhi Public School, DPS, 4-70-7, Lawson's Bay Colony, Peddawalter, Visakhapatnam. July 8th, Tuesday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. at 2nd floor, Fortune Heights, Road number 2, ASI Road, beside Hotel Park and NTR Colony, Vijayawada. July 9th, Wednesday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. University of Leicester Information Center, ground floor, Pioneer Shangri-La, Gujanagundla Ring Road, Guntur. On July 10th, Thursday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. University of Leicester Information Center, opposite Ongole Children Hospital, Anjaya Road, Pandaripuram, Ongole. On July 10th, Thursday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. at Ameerpet, 501 Prashanti Ram Towers, above Axis Bank, Madura Nagar branch, Ameerpet. On July 10th, Thursday, at Harita Kakatiya Hotel, Hanamkonda, from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. For more details, please contact Ramesh 9121329427.